Okay, I have saved my, my eggs from yesterday from my motel room. So I'm gonna say, I bought some white rice, so I'm gonna just mix them both together. And then get my soy sauce, shake it up, and add it together. All I'm doing is just seasoning it up and mixing it up. So, using the microwave. This is when I don't have time. This is when I don't have time to go out to eat because I'm in a rush when I wake up, and I have an appointment today at the bank, so to get my secure credit card application filled out. So good morning. I just woke up too, so the day of my life, the story of my life. Washing my hands. I always wake up hungry, starving, because there's nothing to eat, nothing I'm craving to eat. But I wake up late, so I'm hungry, I'm craving to eat whatever, but there's nothing to eat because I woke up late for breakfast. So, oh, I forgot to put the sriracha. Spice it up. Shake up the sriracha and pour it on. I like my rice spicy. I can throw me some shrimps in there, but I'm gonna do it afterward. Okay. I forgot to put my cilantro in there, so make it colorful. And then my onions. Oops. So you know it's festive and colorful, so I gotta just stir it up. Looking much better than earlier. Earlier looks plain and bland. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle some salt and black pepper on there. Okay, some salt. And some black pepper. And a little MSG. I like to cook with MSG. I like the flavor of MSG in my food. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay. Every time I cough or sneeze, I disinfect the air, so. Okay, I'm gonna put my meat in after. Maybe I'll throw in some shrimp. So now this is how it looks like. It has some color in it. So I gotta finish reheating it up. So it will have cilantro and onion flavor. Okay, I have diced up my shrimp. So I'm gonna mix it in with the fried rice. No cooking involved. So so we got our shrimp into the fried rice. It's a cocktail shrimp, so hey, it's becoming a meal. It's better than starving. No cooking, it's just heating up. It's called a hungry woman's food. A hungry woman's meal. Okay, some color in it. Let me see how it tastes. I'm gonna throw some mushrooms in there and jalapeno or serrano. These mushrooms I have to boil, but I'm gonna put it in a bowl and boil it, and then make sure it's cooked well. So.